Hello and welcome. Today we'll see how to download and install R programming language and RStudio, and we'll also write a simple first R code to test if the installations are okay or not. So first we'll go to our browser and we'll search for the R programming download, and we will first select this website, download R 4.5.2 for Windows. We'll click on this and it will immediately start our download. You can see here it is downloading our R file. In the meantime, we'll also download the R Studio download for Windows. We'll select this option and we'll download the RStudio Desktop from POSIT website. We'll select this one, download RStudio from POSIT, and we'll go below, and here we can see RStudio Desktop, download RStudio. We'll select this one. So it will bring us to another page, and we'll click on this one, install RStudio, download RStudio Desktop for Windows. Click this one and it will immediately start the download for the RStudio as well. So you can see our R programming language and RStudio is being downloaded. For our convenience, I have already downloaded these two previously in our downloads folder. You can see when it's downloaded it will be appeared like this, R 4.5.2 win. We'll double click on this and it will immediately start installing R programming language in our PC. This by default language is English. We'll click OK. We'll select next. If we want, we can change the path where the folders will be from the browser section. We'll leave it as it be. Click next, next, and please specify yes or no, then click next. Customize startup, accept default. So we are accepting default, so it will be no. Next, we'll click next, next, and it will immediately start our installation process. So we can see our R programming is installing. We have to wait for few seconds until it gets installed. And after installation, we'll check from the R console if it is working properly or not by writing a simple R code. It is almost installed. Finish. It is installed. So if we go to our home page, we can see that here is R icon. We'll double click on it to test if it is working um, nicely or not. So we'll write a simple code. We'll type print, and the double quotation, hello world, double quotation, first bracket close, click enter. So we can see that our first simple code has run and it is saying hello world. So it is running successfully. So our R programming language installation is successful. We'll leave this one and we'll now go to our RStudio installation process. So this is our RStudio installation setup, which we have downloaded. After download, it will appear like this, and we'll double click on it, and it will start the download process, installation process. Click yes, next, install, and it will immediately start installing the RStudio and extracting the files. It might it may take few seconds or even a minute to install. It basically depends on the processor power of your desktop or PC. So we will wait. When it gets successfully installed, we'll also write a simple code in the RStudio as well to test if the installation is successful or not. We'll write the same code, simple code, print a hello world, which we have written in the R console. That code we'll write on the RStudio console. So it is almost ready. So you can see our RStudio setup is completed and it has been successfully installed. And now we look for our RStudio app. We cannot see the icon here, so we'll search for it. RStudio. We can see that our RStudio app is here. We'll click on it. At first, it may take some time since it has first time installed. It is opening. So we can see our RStudio console is here, and we'll write this same code which we have written in the R console to test if it has been successfully installed or not and it is working or not. Print first bracket hello. This is my first R code. Click enter. So we can see that our code has successfully run. So we can say that our R programming language and RStudio successfully installed in our desktop and it is working nicely. So thank you for watching. If this video has been useful to you, please do give a like to it and please subscribe to my channel for another useful video. Thank you. Bye bye.